Last year on Auto Pros on the Road, going to all 50 states across the country for NAPA's 100th anniversary. This year, we're starting things off in the heart of the country, Ohio. I'm Kevin Linger. Today, we're going inside Weber Automotive, where they put people first, not just the ones they care for, but the ones they work with.
For nearly 30 years, we've been surviving and growing and doing well in an atmosphere and environment that's not everybody's doing that. Number one is we focus on the customer. People are always first, and we have our external customers, people that bring their cars into us, they're number one.
For me, it's always been about taking care of people, putting people first. If you don't do that, then you don't have a business. And I feel for a small business like this, or appliance repair, any service industry, really, it all comes down to how you take care of the people.
The other is we try to be experts at what we do. People do business with who they know, like, and trust. So we really try to build a relationship.
While the environment may be different, the standards remain the same. Years spent chasing performance at the highest level taught them that details matter, and that commitment to getting things right continues to shape their work every day.
With the racing background, and race cars and high performance is obviously a lot different than regular over-the-road daily driving vehicles. But I think what's helped us be experts from one area and then use some of those skills and attributes in another one would be the attention to detail. Basically, you have to do everything right. So you have to kind of get to be a perfectionist, and using that mentality in this business in all aspects of it that we can has really helped us a lot.
What began as a father's trade has grown into a family legacy. Along the way, the skills, values, and expectations that shaped one generation have become the foundation for the next.
It was just part of my life, right? Like following my dad into the high performance engine business. I kind of took it for granted. It just was what it was, right? So he was really good at what he did with the engine business, and I took from everything I learned from him and went further, much further with that, which was really great. And to have my son in the business now, I think it's fantastic to just transfer that interest and that knowledge. To have 3 generations doing that, I think is really cool.
Being at this shop, working with family, I feel like it really helps for me to push to be better, because I kind of have an example I have to meet. A lot of family business, it's easy to kind of slack off and not be a hard worker, but I feel like that is a disservice to not just myself, but my coworkers and the people around me if I try and take the easy way out.
Their approach is simple. Do what's right, be transparent, and treat every customer fairly. It's a philosophy that has helped them build lasting trust and create a business where everyone involved benefits from the outcome.
Trust as a competitive advantage is a huge one and a really big deal. For us, it's always been a really big deal to be that shop that's honest, that everybody knows is honest. We're never going to upsell things that don't need to be sold. The car has to be in the best interest of the customer, always. That's just been a rule of ours.
So we always want to treat people the way we want to be treated, right? It's just sort of a recurring theme. We always say everything has to be fair. Every interaction between a customer and the shop has to be fair for the customer, it has to be fair for the employee, and it has to be fair for the shop as well. If anything's out of skew, say we would overcharge for a brake job, well, the customer loses. We might win, but that's not right. We want everything to be like a perfectly shaped triangle so that everybody wins.
Excellence does not happen by accident. It requires the right partners, the right resources, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By investing in training and developing the next generation of technicians, they're helping ensure every customer receives the highest level of care and expertise.
NAPA has been an absolute fantastic partner for us. I mean, through them, we're able to offer the best warranty in the business, which is 3-year, 36,000 miles on most repairs. And even if there's an issue with a part that we've put on that hasn't come from NAPA, they've stood behind that and they've helped people as well.
NAPA is an integral part with what we do. They offer online training. There's also in-class training, which makes a huge difference. The quality of their part is phenomenal. That's why we choose them. We don't like doing something twice, especially if it fails, because it inconveniences not only the shop, it also inconveniences the client, because they have to come back and have their car dropped off again.
Oh, NAPA's a tremendous resource. They, with their apprentice program, which is a very well done program, help with ASE test courses, their ongoing training, which we've been taking part of for years, that they do throughout the year. It's a really, really well done program, and it keeps getting better and better. And I've always said that, you know, if you think training is expensive, try not training and see how expensive that is.
The apprenticeship program, it's obviously growing up around this stuff and working on it, I'm learning stuff, but there's a lot that I don't just learn from being on the job, and that just helps, the apprenticeship program just helps me be a more complete tech, make sure I'm doing everything right.
What began as a love for engines grew into a family legacy, a trusted business, and a community built on shared values. Through every generation, every repair, and every customer interaction, one thing has remained constant: the belief that success starts and ends with people. As you can see, shops like Weber Automotive are key to keeping customers on the road. And NAPA is key to setting that gold standard those customers rely on. This is just stop one of season 2 for Auto Pros on the Road. We'd like you to join us for the rest.